In this video, how to change currency on PayPal account. I will show you step by step how to change currency in your PayPal account. First, go to the PayPal website and log in using your email and password. After logging into your account, go to the top menu of the page. Click on the wallet option. Inside the wallet section, find your balance or balance. Click on your available balance to open the currency options. Now look for the option called Manage Currencies. Click this option to see the available currencies. You can add a new currency to your PayPal account. Select the currency you want to add, such as USD, UR, or another available currency. Click Add Currency to confirm. If you already have balance in another currency, you can also convert the amount. Choose the original currency and the new currency for the conversion. Review the information and confirm the currency conversion. After confirmation, the new currency will be available to send and receive international payments. This helps you manage payments with clients from different countries.